Hi guys, welcome back to Chilipot Kitchen. I'm sure you would have egg scrambled or paneer scrambled. Have you ever tried making fish scramble? Well, that's what I'm going to share it with you today. In India, we use shark for this recipe, but personally, I like salmon. It tastes better than the shark. Salmon is also rich in protein and omega-3, which is good for your diet as well. My kids love to eat it like a burrito. It goes good with the steamed rice, and I prefer it with rasam rice. It's easy and simple to make it with minimal ingredients. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click a bell icon to get notifications on my new videos. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes of your time to cook. It can be done in either stove top or any electric cooker. I prefer to do it in Instant Pot. Let's check on the ingredients. You can take a screenshot of ingredients or check the video description below for the detailed ingredients. First, steam the salmon. You can use the traditional way to steam the salmon. I'm using the Instant Pot because it's easy for me to steam to avoid mess. To an inner pot, add a cup of water. Take a steamer basket or any small pot to fit inside your inner pot. My steamer basket has the stand, so I'm not using the trivet. If you don't have one like this, please use the trivet. I have given the link for this steamer basket. If you want, check the link in the description. I spray oil to the basket to avoid sticking. It's optional only. Keep the salmon in the basket and place the basket in the inner pot. Close the lid and make sure the vent is in the sealing position. Select the steam mode for 10 minutes. Do a quick release or natural release for 10 minutes. Then open the vent carefully. Once the pin goes down, open the lid. Take the basket out and keep it aside for 10 minutes. By the time, discard the water and dry the pot. Select the saute mode. You can do the same in the pan as well. I'm using the Instant Pot itself to avoid the mess around. I use the paper clip to hold the pot and the inner liner in the same place so that it won't move when I'm mixing. Shred the fish and keep it aside. Once the pot is hot for a couple of minutes, add oil and let it heat it up. Then add mustard seeds, urad dal and cumin seeds. These are optionals. I like the crunchiness of the dal when I'm eating. Saute it till the dal color changes. Add curry leaf. Adding cumin seeds and curry leaves will enhance the flavor. These are optionals. If you don't have any, that's fine. Add ginger and green chili. Saute it for 30 seconds. Then add onion and saute it for a minute. Then add fish, turmeric powder and salt to it and saute it for 5 to 10 minutes. Salmon has to be dry. Saute it till that. At last, add pepper powder and cancel the saute mode. This is the right consistency. Enjoy it with hot steamed rice or eat it like a burrito. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Bye.